Welcome to Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas KRT Arts BH Commerce AM Science KTHM College Nasik. Myself Sampar Demse, working as Associate Professor in Department of Electronic Science. Dear student, we already discussed in previous video lecture instruction set part 1 part 2. In today's video lecture we are going to discuss the instruction set part 3. In this part, the instructions are needs, operation code, field, address of operand #1 field, address of operand #2 field. Every instruction made up of operation code followed by the operands. The operands can be one of the data from memory, CPU register or input-output device or port. Depending upon the operation they perform, all the instructions are divided into 5 groups. First one is, this is the instruction set, data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, bit oriented instruction and branch instruction. So we are going to focus on this instruction set. In previous video lecture we saw add instruction, and here we are going to discuss the ADDC, add accumulator with carry. So here carry flag will be get set. According to that the instructions will be changed. So operation is ADDC, function add accumulator with carry, syntax is ADDC, add with carry accumulator operand. These are the instruction belongs to this instruction set, that is ADC mnemonics. Instructions are a comma hash data. The description of this instruction is the content of immediate data plus the content of carry flag bit added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. So this instruction is immediate addressing instruction. Number of bytes 2 and machine cycle is 1. ADDC a comma Rn, the content of carry flag bit added in general purpose register Rn may be 0 to 7. This content added in accumulator and result is stored in accumulator. So this instruction is having addressing mode, register addressing. ADDC, add with carry a comma direct, the content of carry flag bit plus the random access memory content directly pointed by direct byte added in accumulator. A result is stored in accumulator register. This instruction is having addressing mode direct. It needs 2 byte of instructions, memory to store this instruction for execution, and number of machine cycles required is 1. ADDC a comma @RI. This instruction having the description like this: content of carry flag bit added in random access memory whose address is indirectly pointed by RI register, that is added in accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator register. So these types of instruction is having addressing mode indirect. 1 byte instruction, machine cycle required is 1. So here what is the operation code of this instruction? Add with carry a comma hash data, having the operation code 34. ADDC a comma R add IRAM address, this is having operation code 35. ADDC a comma @R0, having address 36, and ADDC a comma @R1 having 37H in hexadecimal. All these are hexadecimal. These are the carry flag get changed. Carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag changes for every instruction. The remaining instructions are ADDC A, RN. RN will be R0 to R7. Their operation code start from 38H up to 33H. So for ADD A, R0, content of R0 added in accumulator content plus carry flag content, and result is stored in accumulator register. This is having operation code 38H. The content of carry flag plus the content of general purpose register R1 added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. And like this, the last instruction is ADDC A, R7. Content of carry flag plus the content of R7 register added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator having operation code in hexadecimal 3FH. The flags are changed: carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, and overflow flag. These flags get changed. Now let us see the one by one each instruction in detail. So the first instruction is add with carry ADD C A, RN. Add carry flag bit, the register RN, to the accumulator. This register, general purpose register, accumulator and carry flag bit, they are added and result is stored in accumulator. So here the syntax will be like this: ADDC destination operand, source operand, ADDC A, RN, the content of CY flag bit plus the content of general purpose register RN added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. Description is like this: in this instruction, the content of destination operand, accumulator register, and the content of CY flag bit is added to the source operand, that is RN, R0 to R7. After addition, result is stored in accumulator. The value of RN are not changed. So this instruction belongs to addressing, register addressing, and the flags carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, and CY flag get changed. This instruction having operation code ADD, suppose we are having ADDC A, R5. The operation code is 3DH and bytes 2 required to store this instruction, and machine cycle required is 1. Before execution, the program memory is 4K whose address start from 00H to 1FFFH. So that is having this 4K address. In first memory location, 3D operation code of this instruction is stored, and R5 register needs again one memory. So 2 memory reserved in program memory, 4K, and the program counter register having the content now. This will point the next address which is to be executed, that is 0002H. So this is the program counter register. Now data memory is very important. Here data memory is 128 byte and whose address start from 00 to 7FH. Now this memory having this is the bank 0 whose address start from 00 to 7F, and R5 register we are using, so it belongs to this 56 will be the content of that R4 register. It is like this. So here this is a bank 0 selected and R5 having 56 content. So the content of 56 and the content of accumulator is added here. So the selection of bank will be decided by PSW register. When both are 00, bank 0 selected. In bank 0 there are 8 register R0 to R7, and our operand is stored in R5, that is 56. This 56 and one accumulator content 1A added. So it is added like this. The content of accumulator is 1A. In binary format it is 001 0101. So this is the content of accumulator, this indicates 1, this indicates A in hexadecimal. So for R5 having content 0 1 0 1 and this 5, this indicates 5, and 6 means 0 1 1 0. So this 5 6 is here, they are added, plus the carry flag. Suppose we are having here carry flag is 1, so 1 is added here. So before execution, the CPU side is having like this, accumulator is 1A, R5 register having 5 6, and carry flag is set. It is added after execution. The program counter, all these things will be remains as it is, but the content of accumulator will be like this, and the content of R5 register added. When this is added, 0 plus 0, sum will be, carry flag is also added in that. So content of accumulator, content of R5 register, and the content of carry flag bit 1, they are added, and this addition will be 0 plus 1 will be 1, no carry. So 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry will be 1. Again 1 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Here it is 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 will be 0. So carry will be 1. So carry is 1 here. Again sum 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum will be 1, carry also 1. So carry is 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. So this 0 plus 1 is added and sum will be 1. This will be 0. So what is the content of accumulator? After addition with carry, the content will be 71H. So this is stored in accumulator. But content of R5 not change. So after execution, the content of accumulator will be 71H and R5 will be 56H. In this way, this instruction add C A comma Rn is executed. Let us see the next instruction. Add A comma hash data. Immediate addition data carry flag to the accumulator. The content of carry flag and the immediate data added in accumulator. Having syntax ADC destination operand and source operand. ADC A comma hash 28H. So 28H is immediate data added in accumulator register plus carry flag, and result is stored in accumulator register. The description is like this. In this instruction, the content of destination operand A accumulator register added in immediate with data byte. The data byte value will be in between 00H to FFH plus carry flag bit. After addition, the result is stored in accumulator register. The value of data byte is not changed. Addressing is immediate addressing, and the flags, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, overflow flag get changed. So after execution of this instruction having the operation code 34 ADC A comma hash 28, this 28 added in accumulator plus content of carry flag bit, and this instruction needs the operation code 34H. 2 byte instruction, 1 machine cycle required. Before execution, program counter will be like this. Program counter register content is 0002H, and program memory having this instruction 34H and 38H, 2 byte reserved for it. So the program counter register content will be 0002H. So before execution, so we are not need this program counter registers, program status word register these flag bits, because immediately data is available there. So the content of accumulator, let us suppose 1 AH, and the content of data byte 2 8H, they are added with carry flag. So this carry flag will be here 1, so 1 is added. So before execution it is like this. After execution, after execution program counter will not change, these registers not change, only the accumulator value get changed. The result will be like this: the content of accumulator, that is 1AH in binary format 0001 1010. So this is the accumulator content. Data byte is 28, so 2 means 0010 in binary format, 8 means 1000, plus the content of carry flag. So carry flag is 1 here, so 1 plus 1 0 plus 0 plus 1 will be 1, sum carry is 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1, so 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry will be 1, so carry is 1. 1 plus 1, what is the reason? Sum is 0, carry will be 1, so carry will be 1. So 1 plus 1, again sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum will be 1 and no carry there. So next bit will be 0 plus 0, 0. So what is your answer? 4 and 2. The content of accumulator will be 4, 3. Okay, so this will be 0 0 0 0 1 1 3 0 1 0 0 4 4 3 H is the content of accumulator. Now content of accumulator after execution will be 4 3 H, and it is updated here. Accumulator content is 4 3 H. So in this way, this add carry with accumulator and immediate data instruction executed. The next instruction is add with carry, accumulator and the content of memory location pointed by RI. Add the indirect random access memory carry flag bit to the accumulator. Here RI will be R0 and R1. Okay, this register. Description is like this: the content of accumulator register is added in content of random access memory whose address is indirectly pointed by R0 R1 register and the carry flag bit. After addition, the result is stored in accumulator register. So here the syntax is like this: add ca comma @RI, the content of carry flag plus the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by RI added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator register. This instruction belongs to register indirect addressing. Program counter register and status register, carry flag, overflow flag and auxiliary carry flag, parity flag get changed. So this instruction having the operation code 36. Let us suppose we are having ADC A comma @R0. 36 is the operation code, and byte required to store this instruction is 2 and memory cycle is 1. Before execution, the program memory status will be like this: 36 loaded in first memory, address 000H, and the content, that is the address R0, which gives the indirect address of random access memory, is having 0001H. Now our program counter register having the content now 0002H. Now this is the next address instruction address. Now the program status register, we need R0, so that is pointed by this RS0 and RS1, and that is the address of bank 0. So this bank 0 will be here, that is 0002 07H. So 8 registers are there and we need the first one register like this. So register bank 0, R0 having 70H. So this 70 is the address of random access memory 128 byte, and that is this address 70. What is the content of that? 33. So this 33 added in accumulator register. Accumulator content is 16H. So ACC 16H will be 0001 0110 in binary format, and the content of 33 is random access memory pointed by R0 is 33, it is added, and again the carry flag content. So carry flag is 1 is added. After execution, what happens? So this will be not change. The program counter and this value will be remain same. The program status word register, again this will be not get changed. Now bank gives us the content, that is R0. The content of R0 here is the content of random access memory, 33 is the data. So accumulator here 16, it is in binary format 001. Then random access memory indirectly pointed by R0 is 33. For 3 binary format 0011 0011, and the carry flag bit. So this is a carry flag bit is 1, it is added here. So this addition take place, 0 plus 1 plus 1, answer will be 0, carry will be 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, the sum is 1, carry is also 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. So here carry 1, sum 0. Now here 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 1 only, no carry. So 1 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Sum 0, carry is 1. Now here 0 plus 1 plus 1, that is sum 0, carry 1. And here 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 1, no carry generated. So 0 plus 0, sum will be 0. So what is our result? So 0 1 0, this is 4, 1 0 1 0, that is A. So the content of accumulator will be 4AH after execution. And again the number of result having number of ones odd, so this parity will be set, other remains as it is. Okay, so in this way add carry with accumulator and indirect address get executed. The next instruction is add a comma direct byte. The content of accumulator register plus the direct byte random access memory and the carry flag added here. Description: this instruction add the content of accumulator with the content of direct byte, address of random access memory, and the content of carry flag bit. Result is stored in accumulator register. The direct byte can be any special function register or general purpose register address, and that address start from 00 to 7F. So this is the random access memory address, and capacity of random access memory, as we know, that is 128 byte. So that address start from 00 and end at 7FH. This instruction having syntax like this: addca, 78H, the content of carry flag plus the content of random access memory directly pointed by 78H added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator register. This instruction having addressing mode direct. This flag get changed: status register flag, carry flag, overflow flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity get changed. So this instruction having the operation code 35H, that is ADDA, 78. So this gives the address of memory, number of bytes 2 and machine cycle 1. Before execution, program memory again having the first operation code, second byte address is 20, this is 78H. So these two are two memory locations are required for this instruction storage. Now program counter register having the content 0002H. So this is the content of program counter register, gives the address of next instruction which is to be executed. Now what about the memory? So 78 will gives content that is 1 to h. So this 1 to h and the content of accumulator, that is 1ah added. Okay, so here the addition will be take place carry flag and the content of accumulator and the content of random access memory, so they are added. So after execution the addition will be like this. The content of accumulator will be 1ah 0001 1010 in binary format. Random access memory content is 1 to h in binary 0001 0010. So this is a random access plus CY flag. So this is added. 0 plus 0 plus 1 will be 1, no carry. 0 plus, so 1 plus 1 sum will be 0, carry will be 1 here, so carry is 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Now 0 plus 0 will be 1. Now 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry will be 1. So this 0 plus 0 plus 1 sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Now 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 0 will be 0. So what is the content of accumulator after execution? 00101101. So that content will be the 2dh. So this is 2 and this one is d. So after execution the content of accumulator is 2dh. In this way this add instruction executed. So dear student, we discuss in this video lecture add with carry instruction. This instruction again having 4 types and they belongs to direct addressing, indirect addressing and immediate addressing. So thank you. If you have any questions, contact my mail address sampartdmc57@gmail.com, WhatsApp number 9860389302. Thank you.